Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook trout on a Blackstone griddle. First, ensure your trout is sparkling clean and completely dry. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy skin. Next, season both sides of your fish with your favorite blend of herbs and spices. A simple mix of salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder works wonders. Finally, preheat your griddle to a medium-high temperature, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, to get it ready for cooking. Once your griddle is hot, add a thin, even layer of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, to prevent sticking. Carefully place your seasoned trout, skin side down, onto the griddle. This initial contact with the hot surface is key for developing a beautiful, crispy skin. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on the side, or until the skin is golden brown and releases easily. Then, gently flip the fish. After flipping, continue to cook the trout for another 3 to 5 minutes on the flesh side. The exact cooking time will depend on the thickness of your fish. To ensure it's perfectly cooked, use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. It should register 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, you can check for doneness by gently flaking the thickest part of the fish with a fork. It should separate easily and appear opaque throughout. Once your trout is cooked to perfection, carefully remove it from the griddle to prevent overcooking. Transfer it to a serving platter. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley will brighten the flavors beautifully. This griddle-cooked trout pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides, such as roasted asparagus, grilled corn, or a crisp green salad. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, flavorful trout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.